Howdy folks, this is Adrian. I'm going to show you some of my favorite places where I'm training outdoors in Calgary. On a big screen on the top left, I'm going to fly my drone at Inland Park. I believe I'm going to go up to 120 meters from the bottom of this rugby field, which is surrounded by some steep hills. As you will see shortly, actually you can see me hiking this hill with a 22 kilogram pack last spring. It was a bit more snow then. On the bottom right, I'm swimming at Coral Lake in northeast Calgary. Here on Nose Hill, I'm doing some bouldering on Glacier Erratic, and the other two are some outdoor workouts in northwest Calgary, in my neighborhood. Some pull-ups with assisted elastic band and some triceps, some abs, a whole variety. As you can see now, I'm going to be filming with a drone the section where I'm going to be running. Yeah, it's right here with the mouse. Oh, disappear now. It's coming back in a bit. Yeah, it's a very good inclination. Today I did 18 sets, bottom to top, which adds up to a total of over 300 meters vertical elevation wise. I think it's about 25 meters, but my GPS was adding up automatically. I was doing those 18 sets. Here I'm returning my drone to the ground level, but I'm going to be lifting it again just for the purpose of showing you the steepness of this hill that is visible also on the top right YouTube video. So yeah, you can see here this is a perfect training hill because you can do many sets with weighted pack like I did on this video. I had some weighted vest as I had today, and the rest were plastic bottle filled with water, so you can adjust at your own will. If you're training for speed, then use less weight. If you're training for power, use more weight. So it looks like the video on the right is kind of going off what my body was filming me. It looks like he kind of filmed some extra stuff, and yeah, that should do it. Thanks for watching, guys. The drone video is finished, so I may as well end up here.